much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, the Carolina girls are back at it again with a back-to-back collab. We are welcoming fall today with a fall look. I saw a look on Pinterest that I really wanted to recreate, so that is what I'm going for. Hopefully it goes out well. Based off the farewell to summer one, which third time was a charm, so hopefully I don't have to think of any backup plans. I will leave my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. This may or may not be a surprise that I'm taking my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 1 palette. I think I'm going to start off with this shade Shuffle. And the look is going to be actually kind of similar-esque of what we were trying to do yesterday. But this is going to be a sunflower as opposed to the Tangled Sun. So my original sunflower idea was not working out. I was trying to do one big sunflower on this eye. I tried sunflower freckles. It just wasn't working out. So I'm going to resort to my second idea. I'm going to do like a yellowy brown look on my eyes and then add the details afterwards. I'm gonna take some of my butter bronzer to bronze. I'll probably add lashes afterwards. I just want to make sure that this all turns out okay. I'm going to take this orange blush. I know, orange, my favorite color, but I kind of want to do a little bit of a Scarecrow look, so I really want to deepen the cheeks. So I did use a little bit of a darker butter bronzer as well, just to really make the cheeks nice and dramatic. Put a little bit on the nose as well. I'm going out of so many different steps, but I'm gonna add Hello Stranger to my lips. And now, Scarecrow pieces. And then lastly, I'm going to take these Zola lashes, and they're in the style Laney. Forgot about these dang lashes tickling my eyebrow and crease area, but they're a little bit more dramatic. And that's something that I really wanted for this Scarecrow look, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was very quiet during it, but I was in the zone trying to make sure that everything was going to go okay since the first attempt of a look did not go as planned. I think this is a fun look. I've been wanting to do a Scarecrow look before. It's a good transition to October because I do have a handful of Halloween looks that I want to do, so this definitely was a fun way to kick this off. I would love to know, if you were to create a fall look, what approach would you have taken? Would you have created a look based off of some fall themes like Scarecrow, pumpkins, sunflowers, etc.? Or if you just created an eye look, what palettes would you have gravitated towards to create a fall look? Don't forget to check out everyone else's look. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.